Internet, Steamy Coins here once again, and thanks for checking out the video. Alright, so what you're seeing on the screen, Bitcoin USD chart, and just doing my daily check of the Bitcoin prices, see what the market's doing. Still in bullish territory. As you see right here, we did pull back a little, but we traded sideways for a couple of days, and now we are pushing up again. So it looks like it's gonna form another higher high. Alright, so yeah, definitely looking bullish. Let's see if we can set a new support and resistance line. Let's see here. Horizontal ray. Let's do a horizontal line. Alright, so it's looking like the support right now is I'd say around 5,000 still, about here. Multiple touches of the 5,000 line. Yeah, let's make that line a bit thicker, make it more obvious. What color should we make it now? Support, what color should support be? Maybe a darker blue. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. And let's see, the current resistance, I would place that around, let's see, multiple touches. I say it broke resistance there. I'd say this is the current resistance. Alright, so yeah, that's about the current resistance level. Once we break that, we should be definitely in more bullish territory. But overall, looking good. Let's take a look here. Let's see. I want to look at, hold on. I want to look at, what's the name of that site again? Coin Paprika. Let's just go there. Yeah, take an overall look of the market. So the average price of Bitcoin right now, 5,500. In the last hour, 0.18% has been gained. A little bit of red in the top 10 section, top 20. My personal favorite, Tron, looking pretty healthy. Let's see Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance still going up, 54.75%, and so that means the prices of the altcoins are probably stable or maybe going down a bit. See, Bitcoin dominance. So if you're holding Bitcoin, what I would do, I would be looking for some good altcoin trades. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, looking good. And by the way, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe. Alright, I would really appreciate the support. So let me just take a look at some of the dApps that I'm involved in right now on Tron. Alright, so this is Tron Bank. New contract TRX Pro. I deposited 1,000 Tron right there, and so far it earned me 56.87 Tron. So I'm just gonna keep letting that grow. So this game has some interesting rules, right? So once you invest on day 1 all the way up to day 6 of your investment, you will earn 1.8% of that investment. Once you pass day 6 and go to between day 6 and day 11, you will be earning 2.4% of your initial investment daily. Once you pass day 11, you're up to 3% of your initial investment. Alright, so that's cool. There's also a reinvest ROI, right? So between day 1st and day 11, if you reinvest, you will be earning 3% daily of that amount that you reinvested. Alright, so yeah, interesting. So you can really play with different strategies in a game like this. Me personally, my strategy is I am gonna wait until day 11, like day 12. All right, and then I do my reinvestment, and then of what I earned, of what I reinvested, I will be collecting 3.6%. all right, and by that time I will be on day 11, so I will be earning 3% of my investment. So yeah, interesting. So this is really designed for reinvestment, all right, and longevity too. And you can play multiple different strategies with this game. Yeah, so that's my personal strategy with this. So yeah, looking forward to day 11. I think now we are at 29th, 1 2 3, just day 3. So you know, that's got a little ways to go. You guys probably already know the BTT has ended. Not much use talking about that. Let's look at the dividends now. So alright, so I have some TNT tokens frozen, just 12.8, 12.5, and that pays me a daily dividend. So collected a little BTT here, so it's 344 BTT. Let me get that, sign the transaction, there we go, and that is off to my wallet. Okay, great. Yeah, P3T looking good. Price is kind of stagnant. They said that they're testing a new game, so once that releases, we should be getting more dividends from holding this P3T token. So not a whole lot going on with that, but the One Up project, which is built on the P3T platform, is doing well. All right, 4.6 million Tron in the contract, percentage. So every day you earn 0.02% on this, and you start from 1%. So you keep collecting that every day, and if you don't withdraw, you will get all the way up to the 2%. So I haven't withdrawn anything, I've just been reinvesting. All right, so and over time the reinvestment becomes even more and more profitable. So I'm up to 10 Tron, so just gonna reinvest that, sign the transaction, and I do think that this is probably one of the best ROI games on the Tron blockchain at the moment. Right, that's my opinion. Reason I say that is because it's really designed for longevity. I really do see this thing lasting about 2 years, maybe even longer. Because if I was to withdraw right now, I can only get half of what I initially invested, and I haven't even invested much, just 695. All right, if I wanted to exit right now, I could only get 348 Tron, and I have to leave the rest of the Tron in the game for the other players to benefit. All right, so yeah, so there's no point me leaving until I have earned over 100% of my initial return. So once I've passed the 100% mark, that's when I would really be in profit, because if I withdraw from that 100%, it's just 50%, and that will cover my initial investment. But I'm not even gonna want to do that, because I'm gonna want to make a profit. So I'm gonna stay in. Until I'm at least 200%. And then when I'm at 200%, when I withdraw, I would have just doubled my money, right? And then at the same time, I wouldn't want to exit the game, because I would just have money in there. I'll be just earning free money after that. So, you know, and that kind of what do you call it, rules to this game really allows anyone to jump in at any time. You don't have to, you know, hurry up and deposit your Tron and just withdraw as much as you can quickly. You can just slowly scale into the game and slowly scale out. It's not, you know, that time sensitive. So I think this is one of the best ROI contracts on the network. I think it really should have a lot more Tron in it, but yeah, I think it's the best. All right, so at least one of the best. There's a lot out there. I think the Tron Bank, the TRX Pro, is also really interesting. I don't think it's gonna last as long, but it's definitely very interesting. And there's a lot of Tron in here too, 26 million. Yeah, so that's that. One up, awesome. Long-term investment. Just keep reinvesting, keep compounding that Tron, get up to 2%, and then, you know, find that wait till a decent amount of time, then you just withdraw, and you just keep doing it again. Just get your percentage to boost all the way up. You know, two awesome dApps that I'm really liking. This, I am loving Cece Bank. Cece Bank. I mean, I almost want to say that this is probably the best. This is definitely not gonna last as long as those other two though, but this can get you to make a lot. This can help you to make a lot of money really quickly. All right, so I invested 1,025 Tron in this one, right? Immediately I was given 10%. All right, so I got 100 Tron that I could withdraw immediately. All right, I am earning 8% every day on this 1,025 Tron. All right, so this started yesterday, and now I am up to 235 Tron that I can withdraw right now. The interesting thing about this contract is, if I withdraw right now, I would have to leave 5% of this on the platform. All right, so, and that assists with the longevity. So you're not going to want to just withdraw every day. All right, so, you know, it's awesome. I love the rules of this game, and particularly for this contract, I will not be reinvesting. I will just keep withdrawing as long as there's Tron in the contract. All right, and I really hope they do some good marketing and really get a lot more people coming into this contract. Funny enough, I am the only YouTuber that is talking about this contract right now, at least as far as I know. So if anybody out there knows of any other YouTuber that's talking about Cece Bank, yeah, let me know. Leave a comment, and, you know, let me know. Yeah, so this has some interesting rules. You guys can read it if you want. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Yeah, so depending on the amount that you invest will determine the percentage that you get back daily. All right, so if you are under, I'll go away. Yeah, if you are under, what is it, 1,000 Tron, you get 5% daily. All right, that's the VIP 0 level. VIP 1, which I'm a part of, you get 8% every day. VIP 2, you get 10%. VIP 3, 12%, and it stops at 12%. There's a VIP 4 and 5, but they all stop at 12%. So yeah guys, I think this is an awesome game, and they have a feature where it's called check-in. That check-in button, every time you click that, well, not every time, so you can check in once every 12 hours, right? Once you check in every 12 hours, you will be awarded the CCB token, 100 CCB tokens. So in a way, you're just by investing in this contract, you're mining CCB tokens, and I believe those tokens are going to be very valuable, because the things that this dApp has been doing and putting out there, really innovative. They move fast. They seem to be really ethical, because once a contract is going down, they actually stop you from depositing more into it. So that kind of behavior, you know, really tells me something. And I think they're definitely trying to compete with Tron Bank. They're not as big, but they can definitely, you know, compete with those guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait till I make my initial investment back on this, and then I'm gonna withdraw. Maybe even wait just a little bit longer. You know, until I make like maybe 1,200 or 1,100. Then I pull it off, and then I might reinvest depending on the contract and how it's going, or I might just, you know, just keep withdrawing. So that remains to be seen. But anyway, guys, another thing that I want to talk about, IGG. I have been watching this token ever since I got onto Tron. what these guys are trying to do, these guys are trying to decentralize the esports industry, right? So they are building a platform which will host tournaments and allow players, average everyday individuals, to become esports athletes. So you can literally play video games and earn money for a living using this platform. And they are allowing teams to have their own cryptocurrency, or no, I shouldn't say that, their own token that's hosted on the network, and you can trade them for IGG tokens. So IGG, they just announced a new platform where they can actually trade tokens, trade the IGG for different tokens. So they're making big moves in the industry. A lot of games are signing on. FIFA signed on, so they had a tournament the other day. It was a beta testing tournament though, but yeah, a bunch of players won a nice amount of IGG. Fortnite just, yes, here it says the Fortnite World Cup begins. So that's starting right now. Actually started on, I think it was the 30th of March. But yeah, and it's gonna go on for a while. So and there's a lot of money being put up for this. I wish I was on Fortnite right now. I do plan on getting in on that soon. But yeah, there's a lot of money to win on that. And guys, it's awesome. IGG. So when that news came out, let's go to IGG. IGG, where are you? Okay. So IGG, when that news came out, I kind of missed the boat on this, right? Because I wanted to buy some IGG, and I've been wanting to buy some IGG. I did have some, but I wanted more, and I set a buy level somewhere around here, like 4,000, like let's see, like 0.0048, like around here. I set a buy level, and I missed it. Because I set it, but it never got to that level. Instead, it just went all the way up. You see this candle all the way up here, and I FOMO'd. I was like, man, I missed it. Then I realized that some announcement came out on Telegram, and they were talking about listing the token. Here we go. Listing. I'm sorry. Setting up a trading platform. And look at these trading pairs: IGG to DEG, IGG to SEG, and IGE to TWX. So these are trading pairs. So you can trade them back and forth with each other to earn more IGG or earn more of the other token, whichever, whatever strategy you want. But once that was announced, bam, a bunch of investors bought in, and then there was a sell-off. But I FOMO'd and I bought all the way here, right at the tippy top, which is which wasn't a bad move actually. Really, it wasn't, because look, we've been going sideways for a while. All right, you see, we've been going sideways for a while. A lot of traders will wait for a movement like this to show that there is good fundamentals and there is interest in the token. So it's actually being traded more aggressively now. So I bought all the way up here, so I'm gonna have to wait till we clear this section, but I don't mind. I actually intended to hold these tokens for a while, because I had some of these tokens up here and I sold, and I think I caught some down here. I don't remember. No, I didn't actually. But buying where I bought is not too bad, but I wish I could have caught that. I think that's like a good 30% that I missed out on. If I should have bought at market level instead of trying to catch it if it came down more, but no big deal. What is obvious now is that this coin is being traded more aggressively, and once you have two tall green candles like that, that sends a clear signal to the market that this token is about to move up. And what they are building is something really it's going to be very profitable. There's no doubt about that, because if you're decentralizing the e-sports industry, I mean, that's huge, and there's so much money that's in that industry. It's ridiculous. So yeah, so I bought a couple of these. I'm just waiting for that to pop. My plan is I'm just gonna trade it all the way up. So once it goes up, I'm gonna sell. Once it goes down a little bit, gonna buy more, go up, sell, and just, you know, play it like that. Yeah, I'm also interested in buying up some Vcoins. So Vcoin is a token for a casino on the Tron blockchain, and they are consistently doing really well, putting out good games. They have a solid user base. Yeah, just an all-around good casino, good solid casino. So I want to collect some of those tokens, but I just want to wait on the right time. I also want to buy some USDT. So USDT is a stable coin for the Tron network, right? So the reason I want to buy some USD is when the Tron price goes up, right? The Tron price goes up in US dollar value, this will go up. So if I buy some Tron right now, because right now it takes 41 Tron to buy $1 US. If I buy some Tron right now, some USDT right now, once the price of Tron goes up, you know, you're gonna be in profit. So and we expect that to happen soon. Right now Bitcoin is going up, so once Bitcoin is going up, the other altcoins kind of have to just wait until it slows down. When it slows down, the other altcoins start to rise in value. That's kind of the cycle and how it works, right? But definitely looking at USDT, just waiting for you know, that to happen. Anyways, let's see what else I got going on. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Just, you know, looking at different things I'm invested in. So this is Magic Dice. You guys probably heard me talk about this before. This is a casino on the Steem blockchain. Very profitable. I have 138,388 Magic tokens, which earns me a decent daily dividend. Today this casino made me 0.1 Steem. Not bad. I do want to increase my stake a bit, but I'm not sure when, so get that. And this is Smart Steem. Smart Steem is a service I use on the Steem blockchain. Well, it's a dApp basically. Shouldn't call it a service, a dApp. And it uses my account to sell upvotes. So every day I just come here, it just pays me a little bit of Steem, and I just withdraw it, and it goes into my wallet. And it also pays me Steem back dollars, which is another cryptocurrency on the Steem blockchain. Withdraw that, throw that in my wallet, and then I go to my wallet, I power up my wallet, and then it gives me more Steem power, and then that Steem power is actually used to sell more votes. And once I sell those votes, it pays me even more Steem, and then I take that and I withdraw it to my wallet, and then I power up again, and then I have more Steem power, and then that Steem power will make me even more Steem, and it just keeps going on and on and on. So that's the amazing thing about compounding. And yeah, that's made me a nice amount of Steem. Alright, so anyway, guys, thanks for checking out the video. I hope this was entertaining for you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.